Jury selections underway today for the third murder trial for Ryan Widmer. 9 News reporter Valerie Miller is live in Lebanon. She has details on several motions that were filed just today. Valerie?
That's right, Tanya. Attorneys filed 3 motions for the defense in this case today, one of them being a request for a 7-day continuance. Once the identity of that unidentified witness is revealed. And Judge Neil Bronson said today that that will happen today, but more than likely it will be shared only with the defense and not necessarily the public. So it might not be until that witness, he or she, takes the stand before we actually know who that person is. Now, Ryan Widmer was in court this morning. He reviewed some of the paperwork his attorneys brought in this morning. His lawyers filed another motion stating it plans to dig into the background of the mystery witness, going back more than 10 years if necessary if there are any criminal convictions. Through all of his court hearings and trials, Widmer has maintained his innocence in the death of his wife Sarah in 2008. Half of the 126 prospective jurors were brought in for the selection process today. Judge Bronson separated the jurors based on their questionnaire. Some said they had formed an opinion about the case that would not change, while most said they could form an opinion or change their opinion based on evidence and testimony presented in this third trial. Then the judge reminded them of their duty to not share any information and be fair.
I hope that for all of you this case will be interesting and noteworthy. I know that many, if not all of you, use cell phones, Blackberries, the internet, and other tools of technology. You also must not talk to anyone about this case or use any of these tools to communicate electronically with anyone about the case.
The jury selection resumes at 12:30 today, when attorneys will continue their questioning of jurors one at a time until a jury of 12 members and 3 alternates is complete. Judge Bronson today said it should not be a problem to seat a jury from the existing prospects. And it looks like once that jury is seated, the judge could make a ruling on that request for the 7-day continuance. And we will continue to have coverage of today's jury selection. Deb Silverman will continue our coverage starting at 5 o'clock. And then also on WCPO.com, we provide live blogging all day and throughout the trial. Tanya?
A lot of people interested in this story. Okay, Valerie, thank you.